Hey my lovings, please do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Uendi for those of you who do not know me, also known as Umamaka Imino Baby You, okay? To my returning subbies, please do welcome back, and to my new babies, please do stay and become part of the family. Kumnandi up. Guys, in survival mode, I'm sure you guys can see what's going on in the survival one, so I don't need an excuse for that. So without wasting any time, I'm sure you guys already know what time it is. So my best friend had a baby. I think she's now 4 months. I'm not too sure. I think only 4 months, and I haven't seen that little girl on. So I decided to just get a few items from Shein. Hopefully my kids hopefully was enjoy. Okay, yeah. So without wasting any time, you guys, I also got I think in way one two for Baby You, and the first thing that I was so happy about, like I was so skeptical, but when I received this item, I was so happy. I was like, Shein, my girl, you did a thing. What do you mean this is from Shein? Oh my goodness. So if you're a mom and you are planning maybe a first birthday or a photo shoot or whatever it is, I think you need to run to Shein. Don't even walk, but run to Shein. So this dress, it's so perfect, guys. The quality is insane, and I think I want more dresses as in Jena from Shein. So she was supposed to wear that dress for a photo shoot, but when we got there, one white dresses apana, so she couldn't wear that dress. So we did a photo shoot apparently. I'm sure some of you might have seen the pictures from any social media platform, but this is how cute the dress looks. So I haven't seen some of the items as lapa, and guys, I only saw Ezzy and as Nita, which is the dress, yeah. So let's see what you got. Oh, my name is Kamakasi. So these, let me see. Oh, they come in packs of 2. So Lena, yeah, match. Oh, ngibanoza warm, clear winter. Oh, mnakamakasi, look at that, you guys. Also, it's very warm. Yes, if you guys know igusha. So I didn't know bana is about this warm fumana, but yo sana ishushu, and also nalena again. Ziyafana, it's just different colors. The quality is the same, just the colors are different. So we got that, and let's see. And guys, like, and so the excitement and nayo so get actually one. Okay, what's that? Oh, this is indoors and pants vests. Let me just say the vests. So pants, and I also love that is because you do get easier as a so they also come in packs of 3. Girl moms are girl mom, and one thing I'll do is I'm excited about so this when 6 to 9 months is because so yep, I love this pink one. I love the pink. So is it 3 kanje. If there's one thing about me, I'm insana ngizokwenza sure ngifumana ezazinto eziphuma Z3, Z4, like we get almost la set up. And how you can oh, not really. The similar the similar ways I mean in monsters on it, but get as funny, you guys. I'm sure you can see as funny, but they're very similar. And that's man is but I got this in, what size is it? It's also a 6 to 9 months. Because abantwana bakhula fast, man. If you're gonna buy a newborn, okanye uzothenga u 3 months, then zizokhalela zimshiye because abantwana bakhula fast. Don't know. Oh, these socks. I think as socks is the, oh okay, no, yeah. Let me just show you guys. Oh baby, you also have as gauses in Jena. I think in has Tana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So baby, you also has the exact same socks. Love zincinci ke ezi. Oh, zincinci sana for yena uncinci. Umama yakhe sana anxibise idress ogqiba afake iikawusi because I love these bows. Zine-bows apha ezi, but ezinye azinazo, but I love these mostly. But ziyaphuma zihambe ziphume as time goes. But and also uyakhonza umamakhe, so uzazinqula xa ecaweni abe shushu umntana kamakazi wakhe. And what else did we, oh, we got a vest. Azishushu guys, it's winter now, so ndilungiselele winter. I think I got almost everything in 6 to 9 months. Silungiselela iwinter ngoku ziyingaphi 1 2 3. Sorry guys, so andisakhululwa ndisithini, but oh guys ngicela ni-excuse the noise sana. You guys noba niyayazi bakwenza ngantoni, kukho someone phana and I had to do the haul for you guys. So as I was saying, bazi-3 ke, it's white, it's pink, and brown. It's brown, brown. I don't know, the color blind, you guys. So the warm man, the quality, I don't even think it's as banonjontri, but the cute and short also a lendo, abushushu because of kusabanda. So yep. And what else? Let's see what else we got. You and I'm sure these are gonna fit her so perfectly. As I said, but umkhulu, this is also a 6 to 9 months, so these are the puma zinje. Got tight about 3. Why not buy fun? Got tight about 3, and they also come with a top. Zazo is a 3, so zinjena. And the white. Oh, I love these. I love Lena. Ditana Lendo. Love it down. And it's ukabela. So zonke ziyamatcha. It's matchy vibes. Short. Lendo. Did I get a coat? I'm not too sure. But I got a coat, but let's see. I'm not too sure, you guys. I think I did. I did get a jacket, but I'll see. Iwanzi also got Iwanzi. Yeah. Also got these cute down gesana. It's all in my crusher bag. That's I got that, and I didn't think was kangaka. Oh, I also got another one which is warm kelena. Noma Flower has indoor edge. Oh, akasangqoli guys, ngicela nixolele. Please forgive me. Akasangqoli. She has something similar to Lena. And izomlingana sana. I love. But ezimpahla ngathi izokhala ezimlingane, and mina ngobe ndithenga beningafuni ba ibe zimpahla ezimlinganayo because bakhula fast, and also with yena zizokhala ezimshiye wesi, but ke sizophinde sibe nabanye abantwana. So phinde sibe nabanye abantwana zinxitywe ngabo. Qinqiza man ke. Qinqiza umakazi amthengela igawuni ke. Umakazi wamthengela igawuni ke umakazi wakhe. Ngamfoni mani. Akazoba cute na guys. Wamthengela igawuni enonqwazi ke sana umakazi. Love. I think I didn't get a gown a pink because I feel like impahla zakhe that I got is ninzi too pink. So I thought let me just get a color a different way too, because hey, ndimthengile upink sana to be a girl mom. And I think this was the last item that we got. Guys. Oh, you guys call this iromba, ne? Yeah, iromba. I also didn't get it in pink, okay? Because as I said, but unempahla ezininzi is pink. What size is it? 6 to 9 months as well. And nayo ndisho ba izamlingana. I think there's okay, Iman guys, I think there's one item ending bonusanga yona. Iman John. Guys for that. So remember when I said ingathi bendithengile coat, or I'm not sure by coat or anything. Oh, sislamba. It's a jacket. Sana you asishushu. So anginxiba one of i-2 pieces zakhe Where's two piece? Let me show you guys. Play white, I think the white one. Yeah, man, I didn't not cleaner. Oh, and the mono tight here. Why? Okay, but anyway, but when I remember one of these, afake jacket yakhe, abe hot girl. Girl moms are up, sana. Girl moms are up, and the fact that I already told him, Mamba, I got a few items, and she's been nagging. But the same passions on Danam, sana, zingekade zibencinci. Inempokotho apha, but I don't think she's gonna wear lena kwangoku. I don't think she's gonna wear it now. But yeah, we'll just see. So yep guys, and that's that for my little niece. Umtanam enimthanda kakhulu. Oh, I love that girl so much. Ngimbone emafotweni angikamboni, but I'm gonna make time. And I'm not sure when, but maybe over the weekend I'll see. So yeah guys, I think that's just about it. I wanted to show you guys the items that I got for my baby girl new family members and family member enter. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed Sana English. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Nibukele till this far. And if there are any ads, hopefully you did not skip any of those. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. I love you so much. Bye for now.